Despite all the conspiracy theories, we all agree that artificial intelligence is a huge help. The help is now not only limited to offices and professional tasks, it has seeped into our personal lives and is now revolutionizing the world of our pets too. Hello, it's Daniel from Let's Geek Out, and today we talk about the 10 tech inventions that will make handling your pet needs a billion times easier. We need your help in subscribing to the channel and smash the bell icon so we can see you more often. Let's go! Number 10. Ebo, the smart robot companion for your cat. Do you often find your cat waiting for you at the door, with its huge eyes blinking forlornly at you whenever you come home after a long day? Or does your cat demand that you always be available to play with it, no matter what the time is? Ebo can solve both of these problems. Ebo is designed to create a more interactive and engaging experience for cats, emulating the playtime and companionship that they would typically receive from their human owners. With its built-in camera for live video streaming, Ebo allows pet owners to check in on their cats and interact with them remotely. The autonomous movements of Ebo are designed to trigger your cat's natural hunting instincts and encourage physical activity, promoting a healthy lifestyle. Number 9. Furbulous, world's first self-pack cat litter box. Tired of cleaning your cat litter? It stinks a bit too much, doesn't it? Furbulous introduces the world's first self-pack cat litter box, revolutionizing the way pet owners manage their cat's litter box duties. The self-pack feature of Furbulous eliminates the need for scooping or manually disposing of cat litter. When your cat uses the litter box, Furbulous's advanced sensors detect the waste and automatically initiate the self-packing process. The litter is securely packed into a sealed bag, locking away odor, mess, and ensuring a clean and hygienic environment for both you and your cat. So, you do not have to rush and hide the cat litter the next time a guest is coming over. Number 8. Dayace Dog Water Bottle. The Dayace Dog Water Bottle is a reliable and convenient solution for providing clean and fresh water to your dog while on the go. Designed with portability in mind, this water bottle features a leak-proof design and drinking feeder for easy and mess-free hydration for your furry friend during travel or outdoor adventures. The drinking feeder of the bottle makes it easy for your dog to drink water without wasting any. Moreover, the bottle comes with a convenient carrying strap that makes it easy to attach to your bag, belt, or backpack, making it perfect for travel, hiking, camping, or any outdoor adventures with your dog. Now, before we move on to our next tech invention for pets, we'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel if you like our content. That will help us a lot. Thank you. Number 7. PetKit Air Salon Max. Imagine you didn't have a towel or a hairdryer, and you had to walk around dripping wet every time you took a bath or washed your face. Irritating, right? That's exactly how your pet feels when you leave it walking around wet. And here's where the PetKit Air Salon Max comes to pet owners' rescue. PetKit Air Salon Max is the coziest and safest pet dryer, which provides professional air quality drying for your furry friends. The dryer features a powerful yet quiet motor that delivers efficient airflow for quick drying, while maintaining a gentle airflow that won't startle your pet. It also comes with multiple adjustable airspeed and temperature settings, allowing you to customize the drying process based on your pet's needs. Number 6. Vacufur. Does your pet squeal, bite, and scratch every time you try to cut its nail or trim its fur? Vacufur's 2-in-1 grooming kit can make pet grooming a breeze, not just for you, but also for your pet in terms of comfort and convenience. Vacufur features a handheld vacuum with a specialized pet grooming attachment that allows you to groom your pet while simultaneously vacuuming up the loose hairs. The grooming attachment has rounded bristles that are gentle on your pet's skin, preventing any discomfort during the process. The vacuum also has a safety guard to prevent your pet's fur from getting caught in the suction, ensuring your pet's safety. Number 5. HabiKatt. Do only humans deserve to live in smart homes? No. Your cat has a right to its own smart home, and that's what HabiKatt aims to do. HabiKatt features a smart cat door that uses facial recognition technology to allow your cat access to the house while keeping out other animals. The The cat door can be customized to your cat's preferences, allowing you to set specific access times or restrict access to certain areas of your home. HabiKatt also includes a smart, self-cleaning litter box that uses advanced sensors to automatically detect when your cat uses the litter box and clean it accordingly. Number 4. Findster Duo. Every pet owner knows the stress of losing a pet. Findster Duo ensures that it'll never happen to you. Its advanced GPS technology accurately tracks your pet's location, providing you with instant updates on their whereabouts through a user-friendly smartphone app. The app allows you to set up safe zones and receive notifications if your pet goes beyond these designated areas, helping you to ensure your pet's safety and prevent them from getting lost. Number 3. OnlyKatt, the world's smartest cat flap. Cats tend to bring unexpected guests over to your house. OnlyKatt ensures that only your cat comes into your house and leaves the rest behind. One of the standout features of OnlyKatt is its smart connectivity. The system can be connected to your smartphone through an app, allowing you to monitor and control your cat's access remotely. You can set specific times for the flap to be locked or unlocked, monitor your cat's activity, and even receive notifications when your cat uses the flap. If your cat decides to bring in prey, the flap automatically locks itself. Number 2. BeakBox. Your bird misses you and can sink into depression if you're not attentive enough. BeakBox ensures that doesn't happen. The device comes with a built-in speaker that plays a variety of natural bird sounds and melodies, providing an engaging auditory experience for your bird. The toy is equipped with motion sensors. When your bird touches or plays with BeakBox, it responds by playing different melodies or sounds, helping stimulate your bird's cognitive and physical abilities. Number 1. Pawaii Carami Mobile Smart Pet Fountain. Here's another device aimed at keeping your pet hydrated on the go. Pawaii is a portable and lightweight fountain that can be easily carried in your bag or pocket, making it convenient for travel, outdoor adventures, or even just a trip to the park. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to control and monitor the water level, flow rate, and even set customized drinking schedules for your pet. You can also track your pet's water intake and receive notifications when it's time to refill the water or clean the fountain, ensuring your pet always has access to clean water. Be sure to check out our other videos on the channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest content. See you in the next video. Adios!